Good morning, y'all, and happy Thursday. Hopefully y'all are having a great day. I am Tara, and my husband and myself are the founders of Back Pain and Joint Center of Texas. And we started a little over a year ago a low inflammation diet. And so every week I come on and show you guys different different meals that you can incorporate in a low inflammation diet to help your body heal faster, recover, and be healthy and strong. Now, I do like to remind everybody that I am not a doctor or a chef. I am a mom with a handful of children, and so this is the way we cook and live our life. Good morning, Lee. How are you today? Okay, so today we are going to make refried beans. And now these are my son Jack's favorite thing ever. Absolutely loves them. He gets so excited. I don't know where he went. He was here a second ago and then he disappeared on me. But, okay, so for this, what I love about this, it's super easy, and you just put it there and let it do its thing, and then you're done and you're ready, you have dinner. So, here we go. So we have our jar of refried beans, which we're getting low on because we do this a lot. The way I do this is, okay, I gotta step out of the camera for a second. So you're gonna rinse them and shuffle through your handful of beans. I'm glad you're good, to make sure there's no rocks or whatnot in there. So I'm just gonna come over here really quick and let me pause. I cook mine in a crock pot. So it's easy, you can set it there and don't have to worry about it. I'm gonna rinse these really fast and throw them in here. My helper disappeared on me. So just grab your handful, and then I just put my bowl, I don't want water in there though. And then I just make sure there's no bean or no rocks as I let it go through my hands. Or dirt, sometimes there's clay like dirt. Gonna shuffle through all those. So Mr. Lee, do you have anything exciting going on this Thursday? And this is about 3 to 4 cups. I would usually cook for my family, so there's enough to eat and enough leftovers because they gobble it up. They get so excited. Okay. And whatever water that gets in there, it's not a big deal that you're going to add water. So, we got our beans in there. There's a little bit of water and it's fine. So there's our beans, and this is where it's so easy. So we take an onion. I typically do a yellow onion, but I didn't have one on hand. So take an onion, and we're just gonna cut this part off. Keep, I guess the part that attaches to the roots. So keep that. So we're just gonna cut the top off, and then I peel the dry layer off. Let me cut that a little bit so it's easier. I sliced my knife in there to that first layer so I can peel it better like that. All right, we just want to get all of that off like so. Just try to get all those little ones. And then you're just gonna place, this is so easy, y'all, your onion and your beans. Then we use our Kerrygold butter here in this house. So this is just the salted one. So we only need half of this. It's equal to 2 sticks of butter. So just cut it in half. And we're gonna throw half of the butter in here. Ta-da! And then we're gonna fill the pot. So right now we just have beans, onion, and butter. We're gonna fill the pot up with some water now. And this you're just gonna fill it most of the way up. I'll show you. So that way you have enough water for those beans to absorb. Okay, so you have like a fourth of it left at the top. Do you see that? So it's pretty full. Now I'm gonna put that back in the pot. Some garlic salt. And I just use this Larry's garlic salt with some of I like the ones with the parsley flakes in there. And we're just gonna sprinkle, probably like 2 tablespoons. I know, kind of a lot, right? Let's see. No, probably like a tablespoon and a half. Just sprinkle it all in there. And then we literally just cover your pot now, your crock pot. And I like to do mine. Mine has these settings of 4, 6, 8, and 10. I'm gonna turn mine to 10. Let's see, what time is it? 9, 10, 11, 12, 4, 5. Yep, then it'll be ready. So let's do 10 hours. And if you're shorter on time, do shorter. So, and then you're done. That's it. You just set it aside. And then I did TV magic for y'all today. So exciting. So, right here, it's done. Ta-da! So when it's done, all you're gonna do is take out that onion. So just scoop out your cooked onion, and you don't need to keep that, just throw that out. And then we'll grab a bowl. And in here, I'm just gonna scoop all my beans. And then the juice from your beans, hey Jax, there he is. I told everyone you're so excited about tonight's dinner.
Yes.
Yeah. Scoop all your beans in there, and then we'll slowly add some water in here. Or the juice from the beans. Okay. Right now I'm putting in about 1/4 of a cup to start with. So this is where you can do 2 ways. We either use the potato smasher or we use a hand mixer. It depends on what I'm feeling for the day and how like smooth I want it. But you're just gonna mash these up like so. So they can absorb all that, little bit of that juice so they don't get too dry. Because as the beans sit, they're gonna get thicker, and you don't want them like too thick. So you're gonna want them to look a little bit runnier at the beginning. It absorbs it. It goes pretty quick. I mean, look, we're already this far mashed. Like, we're almost there. Jax is asking if he can join. I know, I told him you ran off that you were supposed to help. You want to get a pan?
Oh, yeah.
On the stove?
Yeah, like this?
Yep, we're going to show them what you like to do. Well, 2 things he likes to do. Okay, and let's add, okay, so we've already added 1/4 of a cup. I'm going to go ahead and add, let's see. Let's start with that was a 4, so that's a total of 1/2 of a cup I've done. You're going to have to kind of eyeball it because you don't want it too runny, right, Jax?
Yeah.
But I was telling him it thickens as you let it sit. All right, you turn the stove on? Okay, there we go. All right, so there are our refried beans. See them? Okay, perfect. We're gonna let that sit. And now, Jax, how do you do this? You typically what?
What?
Jax will just grab a bowl and He loves refried beans. It is his favorite thing in the world. So he'll just spoonful them in. Or Jax's other favorite thing is a, yeah, tell him. A bean burrito. So here we use the Siete almond flour tortillas here in the house. And these, so they're low inflammation, they fit, they're clean. I mean, it's just almond flour, tapioca, flour, water, sea salt. I mean, it's like 4 ingredients. You can't go wrong with that. That's a good thing. So as our oven gets warm, we just take a tortilla and they just peel apart and keep them frozen. You can put them in the fridge, but long term in the freezer. We're gonna put them on the stove and just let it get warm. And then I'll show you. Jax likes that. Well, I am a huge avocado fan, so I would slice avocados and put it in my bean burrito, but Jax likes it straight up, right?
Yeah.
Just straight up or in a bean burrito only.
Both ways.
Right?
Yeah.
Just both. Are you so excited?
Yeah.
He's always like, the house smells so good when we make the beans. Okay, now remember when we slice our avocado, you're just gonna slice it like this into little pieces. And then I just fish them straight out like this and they'll push right out. There we go. All right, let's check that tortilla. We just need it toasted on each side. Give it a second since the pan was cold. I know, right? Avocados, they're our favorite here too, Lee. We love them. So good. All right, let's throw away this onion mess we made. And we love this because it's so easy. Like you saw, it's like a 5-minute prepare and then you just let it sit on the counter and then your dinner's ready for dinner time. You can't go wrong with a crock pot, like super easy. Let's see. So did you guys go by the office this week? They were having some trivia things. It's kind of fun. So we were doing, it was like a trivia card and it was like, what was our original name? And I can't remember what they were, but they were interesting ones. So if you went by, you'll have to tell me if you got those trivia questions correct this week on The Office and the history of The Office. What do you think? I can't remember. I think Dad said it was like, Snap Crackle Pop was the first, what was our original name when we opened 12 years ago, or 13 years ago? Snap Crackle Pop, or, I can't remember the other one, or Connor Family Chiropractic.
Connor.
Which one do you think?
The third one.
You think it's that one?
Yeah.
You don't think it was Snap Crackle Pop?
No.
Okay, our tortilla's almost done. So these ones aren't, you don't want it to get bally like a typical tortilla since it's not a white flour tortilla. You just need it to start to get warm and toasty. If you let it cook too long, it'll get hard and break. So, all right, there we go. So here is our tortilla. It's almost like a corn tortilla-ish, how you want it to look. All right, where are our beans? Oh, we need a spoon. You want to grab a spoon?
Yes.
And we will serve you up a bean burrito, Jax. I know, you're so excited. All right, so we got our tortilla. We're gonna put some beans in there. Right. Is that the right amount, Jax, or
Yep.
you'd like more?
That's good.
And you fold it, how do you do yours?
I don't know. I just
You don't
folded
know?
like a taco.
That was really small if you folded that way. All right, there you go. A bean burrito. I would put my avocado inside, but he's not a fan of that. Here you go, Jax. What do you think?
Can I eat it?
Yes, you can eat it. Can you eat it? He's so silly. Yep. All right, you guys have a great Thursday, and we will see you next week with another tip and recipes for following a low inflammation diet. And you guys have a great day, and see you later. Bye.